What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is dark 30 and Mustang week 2019 starts right now. Getting everything loaded up. As you can see, the 250 is loaded down. You can get everything in there. Got merch, got booth stuff, more booth stuff, and of course we got the hot rod right here, which you can't see because it's dark AF. So that is what is up, guys. We are headed on the almost 13 hours to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina today. Everything's locked and loaded. Did fuel filters, fuel filters and oil change on the truck yesterday. Got it all squared away. Lots of maintenance on the trailer. Long day. Let's roll. All right, boys, real quick stop, get some drinks, and of course lots and lots of diesel. The fantastic thing about a truck like this is, yes, it tows like nobody's business and like makes it look easy, but man, the diesel will wear you out. Car is here, it's good. I'll walk around, check all the straps. I might have added some air to the tire. That'd have been nice. Strap is good. Strap is good. Tires, always checking tires. Uh-oh, see? Tuck that back in. Good deal. No, I did not wash the car. Why? Because it's going to be ridiculously nasty as soon as we get there, so not even worry about it. Tire's good, everything's good. All right, so we're going to try to roll for a while. So, yeah. Can you tell I'm tired? All right, let's do it. All right, guys, we are rolling on. Always a fun time is the mountains in East Tennessee. Trying to use the engine brake, not touch the brakes at all, but yeah, the views are amazing. It's awesome. Absolutely amazing. If you guys have ever been here, these are the mountains just outside Chattanooga. Fun times. All right, boys, quick lunch stop. We are in Conyers, Georgia. Just got some Chipotle. You're full, right? Yes. We don't do food vlogs on this channel because this is a car channel, so you won't see any of our lunch, but mandatory Chipotle. Now we both are ready for a nap, but we only got, what, 7 hours, 6, 5, 7? We got a long way to go, so let's go. All right, guys. It is 5:12 now.
No, 6.
Well, it's 5 our time. 6 our, yes, this time here in this place that we're at. Anyway, yeah, it has been a very, very, very long day, and we're just about to the house. We're gonna let you check out the house. It's pretty cool, but basically the game plan is we got to get everything kind of unloaded and go to the grocery store, get some stuff for the week, and we did get some rain on the way down, but we're here in the beach, in Myrtle Beach, and as you can see, no rain. It's actually pretty nice. Temperature's about 81. So, whoo, long day. I'm not sure what we're gonna do tonight. Something chill. And we'll probably be in bed early because it's been a long day. We've been rolling since 4 a.m. So, all right, y'all. So we'll see you at the house. All right, boys. Here we are. There is the house, and as you can see, I had no room, so I used this little lot right here. Hopefully nobody gets mad at me or anything, and I'll let Ken drive the car off.
Take it around the block real quick too.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Okay, have fun.
Hey, is it clear?
Yeah, clear's good now. It's locked. You got to use the newer round head.
The newer round head.
Yeah,
that one.
One's old, one's new.
Gotcha, buddy.
But yeah, guys, I have not. Normally I use an incline to load this, so I'm gonna let Ken drive it off so I can keep an eye on what we're doing
You
here.
can yell at me if I damage it.
Exactly. If you rip those $1,500 headers off, it's gonna be bad.
Hey. It's on you,
But here you go, guys. You can see there's all the resorts and stuff on the beach. There is the house, and you can get the car off. Give me 2 seconds here. I'm gonna show you the house. Can't take it slow. I gotta make sure these ramps are lined up. All right. You good? Come on.
I can't hear you.
Come down. Slow, slow, slow.
Good?
Yeah, keep it coming. Don't bounce it, because that's going to make it. All right, keep coming. Oh, God. Keep coming. Keep coming. You're good. Come on.
Sure?
Oh, God. Keep coming. It is touching, but I think we're okay.
Make a trip to a Lowe's or something, get some wood.
Well, I need to air my tires up a little more, too.
I bought
Keep on coming. Keep coming. Slow, slow, slow. Slow. I think we're good. All right, boys. Living large. Look who's up there. All right. How do you guys like the house? Good times? Yes. Yes. All right, guys, we're gonna let you check everything out real quick. Of course, you got Speed Addict 731 Shelby, and then Mrs. Emily's Volkswagen. Harris is not here at the moment. We'll show you that in a minute, but we gotta show you the backyard, y'all. Hold on. This is the backyard. This, boys, is where the magic is gonna happen. You notice we got the bar. You gotta have the bar, and then you got the pool. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Of course, you gotta have lights on the trees and all that. I mean, just come on. This place is ridiculous. It's good to go. So let's go inside and check it out. Yes. Area is on.
Look at that. Dude, that sign.
I'm telling you, see, nobody's gonna get to see this until Wednesday, but they get to see it now because.
Well, if they watch our videos tomorrow, they can see it.
Yeah.
But that's awesome.
Yes, sir.
Unless he doesn't want it to be seen, and then I have to blur it out, and everybody's like, "Come on, man."
No, it's good. It's good. Hold on. Yeah, we gotta show the.
Yep.
Show the house here.
And we go upstairs.
Kitchen. We gotta check out the balcony. Guys, I'm telling you, Mustang week, gotta be here. So you got the balcony here. Oh, love it. Oh, I hear coyotes. All right, let's go back in here. See what else is up. All right, boys, gonna run upstairs real quick.
Run up and downstairs.
Yes, run up and downstairs. All right, we gotta show them where the magic happens. All right, guys, so we got laundry, and then of course you got a closet, and that's it right there. That's it. And then you got, of course, the bathroom. Of course you got to have like the fish and the seashells and stuff on the wall, right? I mean, yeah. And of course we got the upstairs balcony. Gotta unlock it first. But my God. So we're up one more level. And there's cars again. So, all right, guys, that is what is up. We are here. We are at Mustang Week, and so excited to have a good time. Keep an eye on the channel for content all week long. I think the weather's gonna hold. I hope. I know we lost a few people, but it's all good. It's gonna be a great time. We're here for the party. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Got you covered.